Hi guys, today we're doing another video of how to make Lego Beyblades. So we're going to make a video, a Beyblade called Dynamite. You know why it's called Dynamite? I'll tell you at the end of the video. First, you get this piece and then get the other piece and put them around like that. Then put the pieces like that on the side. Then flip it over and then put the piece at the bottom and the other piece there. And here's why it's called Dynamite, because it blows up, literally.
We'll show you it's an attack strategy soon. So
this
here
is
we
the
go.
attack strategy of dynamite. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Oh my god, look at that. See what an explosion it makes. Other times it may literally explode and explode the other way. This case it didn't, but still, you get the picture.
Yeah.
Remember to subscribe and hit the bell. Bye.